Okay, so scaling we are going to start here. Scaling is used to alter or change the size of the object. For which purpose it is used? Scaling is used to alter or change size of the object. It may be enlargement, it may be compression, etc. That is scaling. Scaling is controlled by magnitude of two terms. We call it as the scale factors. Okay, which are primary diagonal of matrices or the transformation matrix. So if the matrix T, if we use a simple transformation matrix T, scaling it is controlled by primary diagonal of the transformation matrix. So if T is equal to 2, 0, 0, 2, what it indicates is used or this scaling factor, these are used to enlarge the size of the object or double the size of the object. 2 is used means to double the size of the object. Instead of 2, suppose I used here 3, it triple the size of the object, and we call it as a uniform scaling. We call it as a uniform scaling. Now see here, these two, what we call it as a Sx, Sy also. In terms Sx, Sy, or in A, B, C, D form, it is A and D. It is A and D. So these two scale factors, if both are equal, then we call it is a uniform scaling of the object. And if the magnitudes are unequal, if A and D are equal, then uniform. If A is not equal to D, then it is known as non-uniform scaling or distortion. It is known as non-uniform scaling or distortion. Now we are going to see it with example. We are consider here a triangle ABC with coordinates 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, ABC coordinate, and the transformation matrix T is equal to the same we consider 0, 2, 0, 0, 2. I draw it here. Okay. 2, 4, 2, that is A. Then 4, 4, that is B. And 2, 4, that is C. So that is the triangle. We are going to scale it by the scaling factor A is equal to D is equal to 2. So X star means the new transformed matrix is this 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4 multiply with the transformation matrix T, which is equal to 8, 4, 8, 8, 4, 8. That is our new triangle. A star, B star, C star. So result is a new triangle A star, B star, C star, which is a uniform scaling or uniform same as the previous, and across the uniform scaling double the size of the previous triangle. Instead of that, suppose I use here the transformation matrix like this. T is 1/2, 0, 0, 3. Then the resulting terms or resulting matrix is 2, 6, 2, 12, 1, 12. Suppose I give it the name A dash, B dash and C dash. Now see, these are the two examples where we get the different result. In the first one, the transformation matrix A and D are equal. So with A and D are equal, already I have written, and B and C is equal to 0, it gives the uniform scaling. It gives the result in uniform scaling. Where if A is equal to D is greater than 1, then it results in enlargement. Else, if A is equal to D is equal to less than 1, it results in compression. It results in compression. So that is about when A is equal to D is equal to 1. But another case is that if A is not equal to D and B is not equal to C is equal to 0, then its result is non-uniform scaling. Non-uniform scaling, which is also known as distortion. Which is also known as distortion. The second case, when A is equal to not equal to D, first is given it is 1/2, A is 1/2 and D is 3. So what happens in the result? All the x terms are divided by 2 and all the y terms are multiplied with the 3. And that's why the distortion or non-uniform scaling occurs. Now see here, to obtain a pure scaling without apparent translation, we consider that the centroid of the figure must be at origin. Okay, for which purpose? Uniform scaling without apparent translation. See it with example. For this, we consider the centroid of the figure must be at the origin. Centroid of object at origin. Now see here for example, we consider here a triangle ABC. We consider here a triangle ABC with coordinates -1, -1, 2, -1, -1, 2. What it indicates? I am going to draw it here. Okay. This angle -1, -1. So here this is A. Then 2 minus 2 minus 1. Here it is B. A to B. Then -1, 2. Here it is C. Okay. So in this way, This is considered a centroid of this object is at the origin. You can see it here, 1/3 base and 1/3 of the height. 1/3 of the base and 1/3 of the height. Now we apply the scaling factor here of size 2. So the new triangle x star is equal to the original multiplied with the transformation matrix T. -1, -1, 2, -1, -1, 2 and 2, 0, 0, 2, which result in -2, 4, -2, -2, -2, 4. Now I am going to draw it here. First one is -2, -2. It is here. That is the new one. A star, B star and C star. A star, it is here. B star is 4 and -2. Okay. Here is the B star and C star is -2, 4. -2, 4. That is C star. What it indicates? It indicates the pure scaling without or uniform scaling without apparent translation. The centroid of the object is at the origin.